Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing andescooter.com or asscompany.com. So if you actually look at their website, it's called Ask Company, which is fitting for their name since there isn't a lot of any other information about this website. So if you don't know what this is, it is basically a scooter renting service online, and I really can't understand since it's all in Portuguese or Spanish. I don't know what this language is. So as you can see, this is what their website looks like. It isn't a very well made website, and if you look all over Google, there isn't a lot of information about this company yet. So if you're one of the if you're in one of the countries that Andes has scooters available, it does seem pretty legit. However, if you're outside, it won't seem to be very useful for you since there will be no scooters available for you to rent. So as you can see, this is what their app is. There isn't a lot of information about them, however. So if you're from a country that is from them, I would advise you to ask around or search before actually downloading and paying for this app. And yeah, that is basically it. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.